the first week of summer and it's also the first hike of Anupati's. How do you feel?
I feel very refreshing and fresh morning with the birds, nice birds, new birds I'm seeing which are not in India.
Where are
Not
we going,
raining.
but do you know?
No, we don't.
place
It's
is
a
a
surprise.
surprise.
Yes, it's a surprise. Let's find out. What is this type of leaf? Is it a
New
peace?
plant.
We haven't seen this plant before.
Oh,
It's a
Phormium. Phormium. Axe is an evergreen perennial plant native to New Zealand and North.
This is Oakley Creek and we just reached the river. It looks wonderful.
How do you like it, mommy?
How did you like it on the party?
Very nice waterfall and all. The creek, board is creek, it doesn't look like a creek. It looks like, national park, highest peak.
Do you like the view?
I like the view very much.
Did you like all the flowers you saw today?
Yes, colorful and very nice. Beautiful flowers.
Have you seen those flowers in India?
No.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, this is so good.
Open this way. So beautiful.